guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I got this look. I used the new Melt Muerte palette. It's this guy right here. Packaging is super cute, and the shadows on the inside look like this. All the shadows are very, very pigmented. How much pigment the shadows have in them. But yeah, I use these kind of darker blues and red colors down here. I will make another video using these colors over here and maybe like a grayish tone look. But I absolutely love this palette. It was a great investment. This palette is $58 if I am correct. Just keep watching and we will jump into the video.
Alright guys, we're going to start off by prepping the eye. So I'm going to take this NYX primer and this Nars concealer as my base. Now we're going to take these two shades and we're going to blend this into my crease. MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. We're going to use this just to blend out the edges of the shadow we just used. Now taking this dark blue navy color, we're going to pat this all over the eyelid. Now taking Sand Gris, we're just going to blend out the edges of that blue color. In my head, so I wanted to add some glitter to this look, so I'm going to take this beautiful purplish blue loose glitter, and I'm only going to use a little bit, so I'm going to transfer this into the lid and we're going to tack it down with some eyelash glue. Now taking my finger, I'm just going to press the glitter onto my lid. I use my finger instead of a brush so the glitter isn't as packed. Now I felt like that glitter was a little too purple for me, so I'm going in with this blue shimmer right over top of the glitter. And then taking that navy blue color again, we're just going to pop that into my crease and blend it out. Now I'm going to pop on my favorite lashes, which are Lilly lashes in the style Miami. And then eyes are complete, at least halfway. Now we're going in with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Absolutely love this primer. I love that it has a tacky base to it, so my foundation doesn't separate all day. I'm just going to apply this all over my skin and let it dry down for like 5 seconds so I get that tacky base. Now going in with my all-time favorite foundation. I absolutely love the MAC Pro Longwear foundation. The name literally speaks for itself. It lasts all day. It provides great coverage and it dries down to like a satin matte finish, so it looks very skin-like and natural. And I can find my perfect shade in this foundation. So now I'm going to take the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. I did use a brighter color so I could add a little bit of brightness underneath of my eyes, but I absolutely love this concealer. It gives a nice full coverage look and it does not crease on me all day. Now taking the Huda setting powder, I did feel like the color Cinnamon Bun was a little bit too dark, but I absolutely love the way this setting powder sets my makeup and controls my oils all day. So I'm going to use the Huda powder first, and then I'm going to go in with the Mercier setting powder to add a little bit more brightness. I can make sense of them. Oh, you're gifted. Now I love to set my foundation before I put my powder foundation on. I just feel like it makes my foundation last a whole lot longer throughout the day. So I'm going to spray my face with Urban Decay All Nighter and then just wipe the excess powder away. Now going in with my MAC Studio Fix powder, I do like that full coverage look, so I do use a foundation and a powder foundation, but I'm just going to pat this all over my skin. Hair check, and we're good. Moving on to the Morphe bronzer, I absolutely love this bronzer. This is the best bronzer that I've ever used for my skin tone. So I'm just going to define my face. I define my cheeks, go on my forehead, and then down the sides of my nose. Won't you lay your love on me? 'Cause I've been waiting all night. Won't you sit on... Now I'm taking the Amrezy Highlighter from Anastasia. I love this highlighter because it has a perfect pigments for darker skin tone. So I'm just going to take this down the bridge of my nose and put this on my cheekbones as well. Exactly what you're after. These figures flying in my head got me dripping. Now going in with my favorite blush, this is Peachtwist from MAC. I love this blush because it just gives the perfect highlight on darker skin. So it gives like a peachy golden highlight. So I just put this right over top of my bronzer. Now coming back to the eyes, we're just going to complete it by taking Sand Gris and putting that on my lower lash line. Then we're going to take a blue eyeliner. I'm sorry, I don't think they make this anymore. It's an old liner I have, so any blue liner will do. Then we're going to take Hourglass Caution Mascara just to put on my falsies and my lower lash line. So we're going to finish off this look using a little bit of gloss because I love a nice juicy lip. So we're going to use Posh from Artist Couture, which is kind of like a plumish purple color. And then we're going to use Flesh No. 4 from Pat McGrath, which is more of like a rich brown color, just to kind of tone down the purple. And this is the completed look, guys. I really hope you like this look. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you never miss an upload. And I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah.